Looking for a patch cable that delivers clean, reliable audio without breaking the bank? The Monoprice Premium 1/4 TRS Patch Cable with 90-degree connectors offers just that. Designed for musicians and audio enthusiasts, this cable ensures your instruments and effects processors stay perfectly connected with minimal interference. What sets this cable apart is its construction. It uses 16 Aruban fluorine-stranded pure copper conductors, paired with copper braid shielding that covers 97.5% of the cable. This shielding blocks out stray radio frequency and electromagnetic noise, so your sound stays crisp and clear, even in busy environments. The 90-degree TRS stereo plugs on both ends aren't just about style, they save space and help keep your pedalboard neat. Plus, the gold-plated connectors resist corrosion, ensuring a smooth, long-lasting connection with maximum electrical conductivity. This means fewer dropouts and more consistent performance during your gigs or studio sessions. One great feature is the cable's versatility. It has two separate conductors plus a common shield ground, allowing it to function as either an unbalanced stereo patch cable or a balanced mono patch cable. This flexibility makes it a solid choice whether you're wiring up pedals or connecting balanced gear. Users have praised Monoprice for delivering dependable products at an affordable price point. Many have relied on their cables for years without issues, appreciating the balance of quality and value. While some mention the cable isn't as thin as low-profile options, it performs exactly as promised: no fuss, no noise, just solid sound. If you're aiming for a reliable patch cable that won't compromise your tone or budget, this Monoprice option is worth a look. It's built tough, shields effectively, and keeps your setup tidy with those 90-degree plugs. Whether you're on stage or in the studio, it's a cable that gets the job done. Ready to upgrade your rig with a dependable patch cable? The Monoprice Premium 1/4 TRS Patch Cable offers clean audio, sturdy construction, and versatility all in one package. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free connections and sound you can trust.